class. Today we are going to be doing a little Bear Snores on review. I'm going to ask you a bunch of questions and we're going to go through the cards. That way you can see the pictures from the story and then we can answer some questions. All right? So, in Bear Snores on, a brown bear sleeps in a cave in the woods. Now take a look at what's around the cave and maybe tell me what season you think it is right here. Judging by the look of what's outside of the cave, what season is it? Who is in the woods and what is he doing? So, it's winter. So Bear is in the woods, and what is he doing right here if you look right there? He's sleeping. Now we talked about this in our other book about bears, but when bears sleep all winter, think about what that word was that we talked about. Hibernating, right? So Bear's hibernating in the woods in his den for all winter. Mouse and Hare come into Bear's cave. They have a small fire. What are they doing with the fire? If you look right there, right here, it looks like they are popping popcorn. So think about the two new characters that are introduced into our story. It's the hare and the mouse. Oh my goodness. Now we have 4 new characters that are introduced to our story. So see if you can name all 4 of these brand new characters. So I think we have the wren, the raven, the mole, and the gopher all come in to the den. And go ahead and think about, why do these 4 animals want to come into the den? What made them decide, that looks like a place that we want to go? What does Bear do right here? Is Bear still sleeping? How does Bear feel right here? It looks like Bear is pretty upset. Go ahead and think about why Bear is so upset right now. He literally is crying tears right there. So why is Bear upset? So it looks like Bear is upset because the other animals had fun while he slept. But what does Mouse do to cheer Bear up? Mouse offers to pop more popcorn. So, the animals make more popcorn and they make more tea and they make more food. And what does Bear do? Remember they said that after they all had food, Bear what? Bear has a little story time and he tells some stories about the other animals. And how does Bear feel right now? It looks like Bear feels pretty happy. And last, it's a new time of day. What time of day do you see outside of the den? It looks like it's daylight. And what is Bear doing? Well, Bear is what? Is Bear sleeping? Not anymore. He looks like he's wide awake. But take a look at all the other animals. It looks like all the other animals are knocked out because they stayed up all night telling stories. All right, so practice retelling Bear Snores On with a family member. And I will see you guys later.